Hey there! Do you want to learn all about a function called COUNTIF in MS Excel? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you. Do watch it without the fail. In this video, I'm going to explain the easy steps to write the COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel. I'll take you through complete steps in constructing the COUNTIF function from scratch. And all this has been done using a very simple data which will be very easy to recreate and understand. So let's learn how to use the COUNTIF function in our day-to-day life in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 117 and we are learning the conditional functions in Microsoft Excel. So we have got the if function, again a very popular one. I use it all the time and we learned it, right? Now in the next step we are going to take a look at another type of if, but this time we are going to incorporate count. That means we are going to learn about COUNTIF function. I want to be able to count some values and some range if a specific condition is true. Take a look. Still on the if function worksheet right here, and we have got cell F12 right here, the current number of salesperson who have reached their goal, right? So how do we know if somebody has reached their goal, right? We found that earlier. We used the if function to give us the value of yes or no based on their total value, right? So we were comparing these total values against the monthly goal, which was I2, right, the 34,000, and if it matched the condition, then it gave us yes as a result, or else it gave us the no, right? So now all I want to do here is count the yeses. If it equals yes in this range, then count it. If it's no, then forget about it, right? We don't care about that. So basically we are not caring about the values where no is there as a result, but just we want to count the yes values of the cell. Okay, so now once again we have only got 5 records there, so it's not hard to say like 1, 2 and 3, right? Only 3 values are there with yeses. But what you will do if you have got hundreds or thousands of records, then you have to take the help of the COUNTIF function, which will allow you to count a range based on the condition. Take a look. Take a look on how the structure can be written for the COUNTIF function and how we can use it efficiently to count the values based on the conditions. Okay, so I'm going to go to cell F12 and I'm just going to type this one here. So let me just say equals COUNTIF. So there it is, right? So this also in the newer edition of Excel, it was 2013 I guess when this one came out, and you have also got COUNTIFs where you can specify multiple conditions. All right, for this one we are going to just use a plain COUNTIF. So we just have one condition here. Okay, so I'm going to give that a double click. That will open up the parenthesis for me. Okay, and it's got 2 arguments here, range and criteria, 2 pieces of information that it needs from us in order for it to count if something is true. So the first thing I want to know the range. Okay, where do you want to count? So I'm just going to grab cell H5 to H9. Okay, that's the range I want. Then comma. Now what is it that you want to count? That's the criteria, the second value. Okay, so I want to count the yeses. So inside of quotes, actually double quotes, I'll just write here yes, close the double quote, close the parenthesis and hit the enter key, and we have got our result as 3. So count this range based on the condition. If the condition is true, then count it, right? That's pretty cool. You could do this again and again, right? We only got 5 records here, but if you got hundreds and thousands of records, this is gonna play a crucial role to do the counting based on the conditions. So you specify the range and what you want to count, and it does the rest for you. So make sure you try it out. That's all I had for today. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really like this video, enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.